So today guys, we're gonna be changing the shock oil and the Max Shockz. So we gotta get that through there. Twist off the cap. Come on. Nope. No, I want. Okay, there you go. Oh, sorry, I had a friend. Gotta pull in here. The most of it, I think. Don't even know how to do this. Just, yeah. Get my fingers and everything. Not fine. My hands are dirty. Let's get that in. And I'm gonna do this shock real quick. Okay, I'm back. I think I'm just gonna twist off this cap real quick to do that, and then just yeah, get some in the, not coming out. Think of two. It's brand new. Yep, I just see on it. Okay, we should now be good to just pour it in there. Don't know how much to add. Let's try that and just, okay, see if it goes to the top. Pour some more in there. Look at my hands while I'll be doing this. Small. There you go. That looks good to me. Get the cap on straight. Okay, I'll come back once. Okay, we got one shock done. Now it's time for the other one. Just gonna, you just missed it. Just press that. That looks good to me. Just put that over there. Okay. And I'll come back once. Okay, now we have 4 shocks all ready to go onto the truck. I'll show you, come back when they're on it. We are done, and like and subscribe. Bye guys.